Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by removing the AirPods Max from your device pairing list. This prevents auto-reconnect. Once done, plug the lightning cable and let them charge for 5–10 minutes so the battery won't interrupt the reset. Make sure audio is stopped, then power off briefly to clear transient states. These steps prepare the hardware and software. They remove the quick pair ghosting and ensure the device is ready for the full factory reset sequence that follows. Now perform the reset itself. Press and hold the noise control button and the digital crown together. Keep holding for roughly 15 seconds. You'll see the LED near the lightning port change from amber to flashing white, which confirms the factory reset. If you miss the timing, release and try again because the hold duration triggers the internal reset routine. Make sure the headphones remain connected to power. Inconsistent battery voltage can stop the LED feedback and the reset sequence. Once you see the white flash, let go and bring the AirPods Max close to your iPhone or iPad to pair as new. Follow the on-screen prompts. If pairing fails, reboot your phone, verify your device runs the latest iOS, and retry with another certified lightning cable. One key troubleshooting tip: if the LED never changes, charge at least 30 minutes and repeat the hold. Stubborn resets almost always come back after a longer charge. Otherwise, contact Apple for service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.